If you're buying land or evaluating an investment property, you know how long due diligence can take. You're pulling data from a dozen different sources, trying to figure out what actually matters, and by the time you've got a clear picture of the risk, you've burned through hours of time. In this video, we'll show you how to cut that process down dramatically using a free property report from LandApp combined with Claude AI. Same workflow, repeatable on any parcel. Start at landapp.com. It's a free platform with an interactive map that layers property data across the entire country. Next, I'll find the parcel I want to evaluate. You can search by address, APN, or zoom in on the map. Once you've got your parcel selected, you'll see the property report data populate on the left side. From here, I can generate a full property report. This compiles everything LandApp knows about this parcel: value indexes, risk indexes, soil data, energy potential, infrastructure proximity, and more. It just takes a few seconds. A PDF will be emailed to me that I can read through, but there's an easier way. Instead, I'm going to hand it to Claude and let AI do the heavy lifting. I'll upload the PDF directly into the conversation. Once it's loaded, I can start asking questions immediately. The first thing I want to know is which risk categories are actually significant for this property. Not just a list of numbers, but what they actually mean for someone buying it. Here's my first prompt. Look at what it gives back. It's translating the risk scores into plain language that actually informs a decision. High wildfire risk means insurance costs. The oil and gas contamination score of 92 flags a real environmental liability concern because there are active wells on the land. That's the kind of contextual read that normally takes an experienced analyst to produce. Now I want to go a level deeper. Same conversation, same document, I don't need to re-upload anything. Here's my second prompt. This is where it gets really useful. Claude is now cross-referencing the opportunity side against the risk side. It's flagging that the solar lease potential is strong, with 138 buildable acres, a transmission line on the property, and a substation less than a mile away. But it's also calling out that a 99 Hill score is a direct threat to solar panel durability and insurability. It's surfacing the tension that an investor actually needs to sit with before writing a check. What used to take a few hours of reading, cross-referencing, and synthesizing now takes about 5 minutes. And because you're working from LandApp structured data, the AI actually has something specific and real to analyze. It's not guessing. If you want to try this on your own property or a parcel you're evaluating, you can generate a free property report right now at landapp.com. No account required to get started. Just search your parcel, pull up the report, and bring it into AI exactly like I showed you here. Links to get started are in the description. And if this workflow saved you time, drop a comment below. We want to know what property types you're running it on.